Hey guys, welcome to Digit, and this is going to be an unboxing of the Tune 205BT by JBL. Now this thing obviously has a lot of emphasis on bass, as you can see right in the center of the packaging. It has a bit of marketing material regarding the bass, and you can see from the image itself that these are a pair of neckband earphones, and also there's a little mention on the bottom right stating that this has a 6-hour battery life, as this happens to be wireless. And here's a little plexiglass window through which you can actually see the earphones themselves, and you have a little bit of extra text over here. It states that it's a Tangle free cable, hands-free calls, obviously it's wireless. Then again, a little bit of mention about the bass response and that these are comfortable to wear. Now that's about it for all the stuff that we can see on the packaging. Let's go ahead and take this out of the box, and here you go. You have a little bit of marketing material as well as manuals in the packaging, the user manual for the Tune 205BT, then a little declaration for products manufactured out of certain regions. This would be more on the lines of hazardous materials and all those things. Then there's another one. This has a major sign at the front saying that you should read this, and once we open it up you can see that this is a declaration of the radiation exposure as well as a little bit of information regarding the battery, because those things can be hazardous, and in this case JBL has taken certain steps to tell you exactly why these are safe, and that's mentioned in this little booklet. Then there's another one. This would be, let's say, is there an English page? Then we can figure out. Okay, warning. These are exactly instructions on whether you should keep this closer to a pacemaker or not. It does say, to guarantee your personal safety, please ensure that these headphones are not worn or kept in the immediate vicinity, that is closer than 10 centimeters of a pacemaker. Do not insert the jack plug into electrical sockets, and supervise when children are using this. Obviously, you should go through every bit of information that they give you. And the last booklet happens to be the warranty card. So again, give it a read in order to know exactly what is covered, what isn't covered, and how long your product is guaranteed to operate without any problems. Now let's take all of these out of the picture, and we are left with the device itself. Before we get to that, we have a little packaging with the charging cable. It comes in a fluorescent orange color, and you can see this is a micro USB port. We'll keep this to the side. Then you have nothing else within the packaging. Here are the earphones themselves. You should be a little careful while removing these so that they don't get damaged. And there you go. These are neck bands, but they don't have any rigidity to them, so these won't exactly conform to the curve of your neck. And that's about it. That's all that you get within the box. This was an unboxing of the JBL Tune 205BT. Thank you for watching.